Today is Thursday, June 18th. We have a special DVC screening of Toy Story 5 tonight. It comes out tomorrow everywhere.
Hi.
And we are at Disney Springs. They said we could go to the Gateway to Discovery DVC little building and pick up a commemorative item. So we're gonna go do that first. Okay, come on, Jesse and Woody. I'm planning Maeve.
Maybe on that.
We just came to Disney Springs to knock this portion out earlier because we still gotta take this guy to dance class, and then we'll head to the screening, which also has complimentary popcorn and soft drinks, they said. Also, yesterday supposedly they brought out a Toy Story themed Joffrey's truck right in front of that theater where we just were, and I don't see it today, so maybe it's just out certain times, or maybe we missed it. Who knows? You'd think it'd still be out today. We made it over to the Gateway to Discovery, so let's go see what we get. Finnegan, show me what we got. Buzz Lightyear drawstring backpacks. So turn it around. Amazing. They gave us 5 of them. One for everybody on our reservation. Quinn's already put his to use. He's ready to rock and roll. It does say $19.99 right on the price tag on that. So look at that. They just verified that we had reservations for the screening tonight, and they gave us one for everybody.
Is this closed all the way?
Looks like it. Do you like it? Do you like your bag? You gonna wear it? Okay. Woohoo! Perfect. We made it back for the screening. It's like 6:20-ish. We get to go back. Cast members only behind the theater.
It's Lily. It's Lily.
They give us envelopes with vouchers for popcorn and soft drinks. A huge sheet of stickers that they gave us. So I had to sit kind of close because we have a party of 5. We do have wristbands to show that we should be here. They came back with the popcorns, sodas, pink lemonades.
This is.
We got out of the theater. The movie was super good. There was a little bit of tears for Mommy. Maeve, did you like it?
I don't know, but the moon's out.
She liked it. She's just tired and being weird. Quinn, biggest Toy Story fan ever. Did you love it?
Yeah. I didn't even have any tears.
You didn't even have any tears, but you know how you loved it?
What?
It's because you stayed awake for the whole movie, and it's way past bedtime.
Okay.
Maeve's dancing.
Yeah.
Finnegan, did you like that movie?
Depends.
On what?
See you in the next video. See you in the next video.
Boop.